Hello everyone, my name is Mandeep from Navigate Migrate Oman branch. So today we are sharing very good news that we have received a Hungary work permit of our clients. So please share your experience with our company.
Magandang araw mga kabayan. Gusto ko na ibahagi yung karanasan ko sa Navigate Migrate Oman. Naghintay ako ng 4 na buwan para ma-receive ko ang aking work permit from Hungary. Ini-encourage ko lahat ng mga Pilipino na gusto magpunta ng Europe, Canada, or somewhere else in the world ay ini-encourage ko kayo na pumunta sa Navigate Oman.